Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2011 Buick Lucerne CXL. Stock number Z8168X. Only 68,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Cyber gray metallic in color. The Lucerne is in the large car class. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. Not only low miles, but very clean. The CXL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, heated front seats, power seats, large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 68,000 miles. Temperature and compass display in the dash. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated. Great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. A large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Lucerne has a 3.9 liter V6, 227 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. Ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Lucerne, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.